Hi Ryan, this is Sarah. I just wanted to give you a quick screencast so you can see what I'm getting when I try to bring up your sample presentation that you included in your at the end of this. So it doesn't seem to be working. So I want to be sure to point it out to you in case some adjustment needs to be made. So here we are, we're at the sample lesson area, and I want to show you what I get. So when I open up the preview, whoops, actually, that's not what I actually got the copy of IRA. Here, there we go. Okay, so I just clicked it, I get the copy of IRA, and then you can see my tools up here are poll everywhere, but I don't have Pear Deck add in here. I did try to copy this and I pasted it into my own Google Drive, and that didn't seem to work either. So I think there's a problem with something in the way this is set up. It just isn't it isn't working as it should be. I've got the screen recording kind of a little bit differently sized, so you're not seeing the whole thing, but I do see underneath this there's a Pear Deck interactive slide mention and so forth, but nothing is really working. So I hope this screencast helps a little bit. I'm going to stop the recording.